everyone, welcome back to Lula Talk YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and effective way to clear your RAM cache using a fantastic tool called RAMapp. But first, let's see how much RAM cache is currently being used on your computer. First, let's open Task Manager. You can do this by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard. This will bring up the Task Manager. Now click on the Performance tab, and then select Memory. Here, you can see how much RAM is currently in use and the amount allocated for cache files. Take a note of this number. It's important for understanding how clearing the cache can help improve your system's performance. Now that we know how much RAM is being used, let's download RAMapp. Head over to the Microsoft SICE Internals website and find RAMapp. Click the download link to get the zip file. Once it's downloaded, extract the zip file and locate ramapp.x. No installation is needed, just double-click to run it. Here we are in RAMapp, shows detailed memory usage. Navigate through the various tabs to explore memory usage, but today we're focusing on clearing the cache. To clear the RAM cache, go to the Empty menu at the top, click on it, and then select Empty Standby List. This action will clear the cached memory and free up RAM for your applications. You should notice an immediate change in the standby memory. Now let's go back to Task Manager and check the performance again. Click on the Performance tab and see how the numbers have changed after clearing the cache. As you can see, freeing up RAM can significantly improve your system's responsiveness, especially when running demanding applications. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your RAM cache using RAMapp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.